Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of consistency. Consistent communication or constant content, I'm using a lot of C's here, is crazy, crazy important. You have to consistently show up. Most businesses make the mistake of they do these big one-time campaigns, or they do this one big photo shoot, or they do this one big post, and they don't do it again or again or again. In my opinion, it's a volume game. It's about showing up again and again and again and again and again. And the reason is people forget. People's attention span is everywhere. And even if someone's like, man, that sounds like a great idea, that sounds like a great offering, I would love to try that, I'd love to go there, I'd love to check it out, people forget. I had a friend that recently launched a new coffee company. I was like, man, this is crazy cool. I really want to support him. He announced it. I said to myself, I want to buy it. And guess what? I forgot. It wasn't until he showed up on my feed a few more times that I was like, I finally pulled out my wallet and made the purchase. If you're asking someone to do something, ask them 7 times. I know that sounds crazy. Ask them 7 times. But whatever you're doing, whether it's an email or whether it's your social media, it's a volume game, and consistency and constantly showing up is crazy, crazy important. Think of yourself as the mailman. I'm showing up again and again and again and again. I need to share my story again and again. And if you have an offering, a really special offering, an important offering, or an important thing, make sure you talk about it at least 7 times.